The Oral-B IO Series 3 uses magnetic charging technology and has specific timing for best battery health. A full charge from empty typically takes about 12 to 16 hours, which helps properly calibrate the lithium-ion battery. If you're in a hurry, a quick 15 to 20-minute charge can provide enough power for one full 2-minute brushing session. Once fully charged, the toothbrush can last up to 2 weeks with standard twice daily use. For long-term battery performance, it's best to recharge when the battery drops to around 20 to 30% instead of letting it fully drain. The LED ring clearly shows charging and battery status. A pulsing white light means it's actively charging, while a solid white light indicates a full battery. A red light can signal low battery or a charging issue, and no light may mean the charger isn't connected properly. During regular use, green indicates high battery, yellow shows medium charge, red warns of low power, and flashing red means it needs immediate charging. Understanding these signals helps you avoid unexpected shutdowns and maintain consistent brushing.